VCSC200 drive parameter initialization to activate keypad operation. This drive now external run command activate and keypad potentiometer also activate. So we can run this drive externally. Keypad forward button does not work. We're running the drive external switch and can change frequency by keypad potentiometer. But keypad forward button does not work. So now we want to initialize this drive. Initialize parameter is f0.19. So enter into the parameter f0.19. Here showing 0 for no action. We set here 1 for a restore factory default parameter. So set and save for initialize the drive. Now inverter is factory default mode. That means its keypad mode activated. Now only forward button and keypad mode is activated. We can run this drive by keypad forward button and also stop by keypad stop button. External switch does not work right now because of inverter initialize and its keypad mode is activated. Now keypad potentiometer also does not work because of its default setting is down and up button for frequency reference. So we can set frequency by down and up button in keypad as per our requirement. We set here 10 Hz frequency by keypad down and up button. And run this drive by forward button. So now in 10 Hz frequency motor running by keypad forward button. So this is the way to initialize VCSC200 drive.